Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to microbiology life cycle of Plasmodium. Before going to explanation, if you want to watch the same lecture in Urdu Hindi, I already upload the same lecture in Urdu Hindi on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. But if you want to watch in English language, then this video is for you. Now in today's topic, life cycle of Plasmodium. First we studied some important points about life cycle of Plasmodium. Then we will study the stages of Plasmodium life cycle. First, life cycle of Plasmodium complete into two hosts, human and female Anopheles mosquito. Mean life cycle of Plasmodium complete into two hosts, not in one host. The one host is human and other host is female Anopheles mosquito. Second point is its life cycle have two phases. One is exogenous phase, which is sexual phase which occur in mosquito, and second is endogenous phase, which is asexual phase which occur in human. Mean life cycle of Plasmodium have two phases. One is exogenous phase, which is sexual phase which occur in mosquito, and second is endogenous phase, which is asexual phase which occur in human. The third point is sexual phase, also known as sporogony, means spore formation, and asexual phase, also called schizogony, mean multiple fission. Now the sexual phase, also known as sporogony, mean there will be spore formation, and asexual phase, also called schizogony, mean there multiple fission occur. Like in bacteria there is binary fission, mean one cell divide into two, but here the asexual reproduction is not a binary fission, here is a multiple fission. Here the one cell divide into multiple cell. Now these are the important points related to life cycle of Plasmodium. Now come to the stages of Plasmodium life cycle. Now the life cycle of Plasmodium having two phases, asexual phase and sexual phase. Now the asexual phase have four phases, four stages, and sexual phase also have four stages. First, there are four stages of asexual phase. Means stages of Plasmodium life cycle. There are four stages of asexual phase and four stages of sexual phase. First, four stages of asexual phase is number one, pro-erythrocytic stage. Second, primary erythrocytic stage. Third, erythrocytic stage. And fourth, secondary erythrocytic stage. Now, the first is pro-erythrocytic stage. Pro mean first, before. Erythrocytic mean RBC, mean this stage is before invasion of RBC. Second is primary erythrocytic stage. Primary mean initially. In primary erythrocytic stage, there is a preparation of Plasmodium to in liver cell to attack the RBC. The third is erythrocytic stage. In this stage of asexual phase, the Plasmodium attack the RBC. Fourth is secondary erythrocytic stage. In secondary erythrocytic stage, again Plasmodium attack the RBC. Now, first we start asexual phase. In asexual phase, when female Anopheles mosquito bite the human, the first stage of asexual phase start, which is pro-erythrocytic stage. In pro-erythrocytic stage, sporozoid injected into bloodstream of a human by biting human. When female Anopheles mosquito bite a healthy person and inject sporozoite into bloodstream by biting the human, then this is the first stage of asexual phase, which is pro-erythrocytic stage. Now second stage of asexual phase is primary erythrocytic stage. In primary erythrocytic stage, sporozoite invade liver cell, mean sporozoite from bloodstream, sporozoite invade liver cell and grow and change into merozoite, and 30,000 merozoite release from liver. In primary erythrocytic stage, sporozoite invade liver cell, and in liver cell the sporozoite become grow and change into merozoite, and 30,000 merozoite release from liver. This is the primary erythrocytic stage. The third is erythrocytic stage. Mean in this stage the merozoite invade the RBC. In erythrocytic stage, merozoite release and invade RBC and fever occur. In this stage, in human, fever occur. And why it invade RBC and start asexual reproduction in schizont in RBC? Why merozoite attack the RBC? Because in RBC the merozoites start asexual reproduction in a sac-like structure which is known as schizont. Why? Therefore, the asexual reproduction also known as schizogony, because it occurs in schizont, and here there will be multiple fission. Now in erythrocytic stage, merozoite release and invade RBC and fever occur and start asexual reproduction in schizont in RBC. Now the fourth is secondary erythrocytic stage. Now in secondary erythrocytic stage, schizont rupture and merozoite release. Means there will be release of multiple merozoite, because here the one cell of merozoite. Now in secondary erythrocytic stage, schizont rupture and merozoite release and invade. Mean schizont rupture and merozoite release and enter into bloodstream, and again invade RBC and produce male and female gamete, and gamete enter into blood. Mean in third step, erythrocytic stage, the merozoite attack the RBC. Why? For asexual reproduction. And the asexual reproduction start inside the RBC in a structure called schizont. Now, the fourth stage is secondary erythrocytic stage. Why again merozoite attack the RBC? Because the reason is that here again the merozoite enter in RBC and produce male and female gamete for sexual reproduction, which occur in female Anopheles mosquito body. Mean inside the female Anopheles mosquito body, mean inside the stomach. Now the question is that, the main point is that the asexual reproduction of Plasmodium life cycle occur in human body, and the sexual reproduction occur inside the female Anopheles mosquito body. But the requirement of sexual reproduction, the gamete of sexual reproduction again produce in asexual phase in secondary erythrocytic stage. Mean in erythrocytic stage, the merozoite enter in RBC and invade RBC for asexual reproduction. But in secondary erythrocytic stage, again the Plasmodium invade the RBC for producing male and female gamete which are necessary for sexual reproduction which occur inside the female Anopheles mosquito. Now come to the sexual phase. Now asexual phase is complete. In asexual phase, the first stage is pro-erythrocytic stage, second primary erythrocytic stage, third erythrocytic stage, and fourth secondary erythrocytic stage. This is the asexual phase. Now come to the sexual phase. Now, when female Anopheles mosquito bite a person which is infected person which have male and female gametes in the bloodstream. Now, when female Anopheles mosquito bite this infected person which have male and female gamete in their bloodstream, the gamete which is micro and macro gamete, these gamete enter inside the body of female mosquito and reach to its stomach. This is the first stage of sexual phase where the female Anopheles mosquito bite an infected person and male and female gamete enter into its stomach. This is the first phase of sexual. This is the first stage of sexual phase. Now second stage of sexual phase is zygote, where in stomach the male and female gamete combine to form a zygote. The third stage is oocyst. Oocyst means now in stomach the zygote is covered, surrounded by a cyst. Now this cyst and zygote combinedly known as oocyst which present in the stomach. This is the third stage of sexual phase. The fourth stage is rupture of oocyst. Now the oocyst become rupture and many sporozoids are released and these sporozoids reach to the salivary gland of female Anopheles mosquito, and again when the female Anopheles mosquito bite a person, again the pro-erythrocytic stage of asexual phase will be start. This is the life cycle of Plasmodium. Now again if we revise repeatedly, first the female Anopheles mosquito bite a infected. First a female Anopheles mosquito bite a healthy person and inject the sporozoid into its bloodstream. This is known as pro-erythrocytic stage, which is the first stage of asexual phase. In second stage is primary erythrocytic stage, where sporozoid invade liver cell and grow and change into merozoid, and 30,000 merozoid release from the liver. The third is erythrocytic stage, where merozoid release and invade RBC and fever occur and start asexual reproduction in a structure in RBC called as schizone. The fourth stage of asexual phase is a secondary erythrocytic stage, where schizone rupture and merozoid release and again invade RBC and produce male and female gamete in blood. These are now the asexual phase is complete. Now again when female Anopheles mosquito bite a infected person which have male and female gamete inside their bloodstream, then sexual phase will be start. When sexual phase start, in sexual phase the first stage is macro and macro gamete enter in the stomach of female Anopheles mosquito by biting the infected person. The second stage will be zygote, where male and female gamete meet. The third stage is oocyst, where zygote is covered by cyst. Both zygote and cyst is known as oocyst in stomach. The fourth stage is rupture of oocyst. When oocyst become rupture, the sporozoid will be released and reach the salivary gland. And again when female Anopheles mosquito bite the healthy person, again there will be asexual phase start, and again sexual phase. Both phases have asexual phase have 4 stages and sexual phase also have 4 stages. This is the life cycle of Plasmodium. Now today our topic life cycle of Plasmodium is complete. If you like my video, press the like button and share this video with your friends. If you new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button and also press the bell icon to open all notification in order to you receive my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.